You want to go ahead and add your rice. So I'm gonna add the rice like this, and it's 3 pieces, so you have to get 3. They put 4 in this mackerel tin. It's a lucky Friday. Share my video, guys. Share it up. Uncle, nephew, niece, father, mother, granny, auntie, mother, father on your daddy's side. This is a tenderizing process. You just want to use your knife.
At one point, the oil made me big.
Let me give you a close-up. Oh. Ah. Greens Family Lifestyle TV, guys, and in today's video we have an epic video, guys, where we're gonna use the mackerel and we're gonna do the mackerel rice with fried chicken. As you can see, we have some pretty simple ingredients. So I'm gonna go ahead and have my mackerel poured in a bowl, and then I'm gonna remove the bone. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, as you see, I have my mackerel. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. We have the mackerel where we just pull the top, guys. You know, you have some mackerel where you have to use a cutter. So you want to pour it in a dish, a bowl, anything, guys. As you can see, it comes with 3 fish. So stay tuned, guys. As you see, I just break it even, and then I remove the bone, and that's how I remove it. And it's 3 pieces, so you have to get 3. They put 4 in this mackerel tin. It's a lucky Friday. Lucky Friday, guys. So we have some extra mackerel. I don't know if you guys ever add the mackerel rice, but guys, I experienced this. I don't know if anyone is familiar with callaloo bed. This is where I get this menu from. Riverton, Duane Park, Nueve, Shanty. Yes, guys. So you know. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, as you see, I'm finished deboning my canned mackerel. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on my vegetables. So I have the green pepper, I have the red one, the yellow one, orange. I have an onion, I have an escallion, and my garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and have them washed clean. So stay tuned, guys. I already have my natural seasoning wash. So now I'm cutting my natural season. Alright, guys, as you see, I'm having my natural season all cut up, and I'm starting with my green pepper. And guys, please do remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment, guys. It don't hurt. Press that like button. Share my video, guys. Share it up. Uncle, nephew, niece, father, mother, granny, auntie, everyone, guys. Your mother, father on your daddy's side. Just share the video, guys. Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna go to the escallion. You know, I always have to have my natural season cut up. I know a lot of you guys know how to cut season already, guys, but you know, now I have my this is not jalapeno. This is red pepper, guys. They start growing different pepper, guys, because the tariff. I don't want to elaborate on that too much. The tariff they have to pay to ship the pepper. That's crazy. It's food. God bless Jamaica. I know they say God bless a lot of places. I don't want to call the name, guys. You all know it, as it was written and it was being said. And guys, if you haven't tried this rice before, I'm telling you, you need to go give this one a try. And guys, thank you for reaching 6,000 subscribers. The channel is growing, guys, and we all doing it together. It's not only me. You guys have been a great support. Miriam Montague, loyal subscriber. Oliver will give her channel a shout out. I want to say God bless everyone. And we're gonna do it. A team, a whole fraternity, alright? Each one feed one. So stay tuned, guys, while I get my natural season in the frying pan. Yes, guys, as you see, I have my oil, corn oil. You could use any oil, guys. So I'm just basting the bottom of the pot with the oil. As you know what's next, guys, leave it in the comment and tell me what's next. Once you see I add the oil, you know what's next. Alright, guys, so you know this is next. I'm gonna put 2 pegs of garlic. I don't normally cut up my garlic, guys, because it's gonna be boiled out, so I don't normally like cut it up. So stay tuned, guys. Now I'm adding my natural seasoning, guys. This is the time I add it. I'm gonna saute them. I'm gonna have them sauteed, guys. This is an epic one, guys. I don't know if you guys ever had it before. If you do, please let me know, guys. Leave the answer in the comment. And please remember to like the video. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to let it saute for a good 3 minutes. Alright, guys. As you can see, I have my sauteed vegetable. I just use it for flavoring of the oil. So guys, as I said, 3 minutes. You guys could do more. So now I'm gonna go ahead with my mackerel. And here I did have my mackerel crumbled. Alright, guys, as you see. And then for the mackerel, I'm gonna add the black pepper. Guys, as you see my mackerel, so I'm gonna use the black pepper, and this is for the mackerel, guys. So you want to go ahead and still add your seasoning for your meat separately. So I'm just whisking it around, guys, to make sure we have those seasoning evenly distributed. Alright, guys, as you see, I'm going to add half teaspoon of Maggi. That's good, guys. As you see, I'm cooking it on high flames. So at this point, guys, you want to go ahead and add your rice. And I'm using 2.5 pounds of rice, guys. So I'm going to add the rice like this. And then I'll stir it up, guys. And you want to follow the same step, guys. Don't skip a beat. Alright, guys, as you see, I already have my mackerel seasoned evenly distributed. So I'm going to go ahead with 1 cup of water, 1.5. So that should be good, guys. I'm going to give it a stir, and then I'm going to add half tablespoon of salt. Alright, guys, I'm adding my salt now. And remember, guys, this recipe came straight from Riverton, Kalalubed, guys. So I want to say shout out to Mama Shirley, straight out of Callaloo Bed, right across from Duane Park, Nueve, Riverton, guys. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna have it covered and I'm gonna have it cooking at low heat for 15 minutes, guys. So stay tuned. Yes, guys, here goes my chicken. Already have it clean, cut up, and washed. So now I'm gonna go ahead to have it seasoned. So I'm using 3 pounds of chicken, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead with a tablespoon and a half of salt. And guys, remember the black pepper this time. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And then for my chicken season, guys, I'm gonna use the Maggi. You want to be careful with the Maggi because it already contains salt. You don't want to go heavy on it. And check the seasoning labels on the content to see if they have sodium, because this is what messing up a lot of people, guys. I'm not using too much of the chicken season, guys, because I already have the Maggi. And remember, we're doing deep frying, not the deep frying, guys. So now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and have it all seasoned up. And I'm gonna use my hands, which is freshly washed. I'm gonna toss them like this. I'm just tossing them around, guys, because I still have to do the tenderizing of the chicken. I'm gonna show you that step soon. That's how you want to have it seasoned, guys. This is a tenderizing process. You just want to use your knife to puncture the chicken, and this is for soaking purpose. And if you guys ever seen my other videos that I did in frying chicken, you will see me doing the same stuff, guys. As much as possible, guys, as soon as any amount you want to inflict, it's easier and it will taste more juicy. And this is what bring it to the bone, the seasoning during the frying process. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. So I'm good with that, guys, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, this is my flour. I'm not doing heavy flouring today, guys. So you just need a splash of salt, because remember, we already have salt inside of the chicken. And we're not using too much black pepper. That's why we never put everything in the chicken, because we're gonna split it for the flour also. And then this is a little pro tip, guys. Paprika. Give that a little coloring when it's being fried. So that should be good, guys. So I'm just gonna have it stirred to show you guys the mixture. As you see, guys, the paprika and the black pepper is what's standing out, because that's what I need. Alright, guys, so stay tuned while I have these chickens started to fry. I'm gonna get the frying pan on the stove, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get in my oil for my fried chicken. Not using too much, guys. So that should be good, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that's my signature, garlic to my oil. Alright, guys. So just stay tuned.
Let me ask you a question first. What's the garlic for, so people know why you're putting the garlic in the oil?
The garlic have good aroma, fragrance, and it's good. So I'm gonna fry a few for you. That's the progress of the oil, guys. So I bring my flour closer and my chicken seasoned. So what I'm gonna do, the reason why I bring it closer, I'm a flour, drop, and cover. So that's the process of fried chicken, the best way. Flour, cover, and drop. So check it. Alright guys, as you see, it's not heavily floured. So I'm gonna go to my next chicken. And you don't have to rush guys, because depends on how much chicken you put, it's gonna slow the temperature of the oil down. Light flouring guys.
So you know, some people don't even know they can use so much oil to fry the chicken. That normally people like fill the pot up with oil to fry it.
Cholesterol. We want to have a lot of cholesterol.
Oh God.
Because they say when your body have a lot of oil, it works better. I don't know about that, guys. Don't follow me, guys.
I need a lot of oil, and at one point the oil made me big. And I don't think that's a good idea. It's healthier, guys. It's healthier.
Healthy cooking is what we're doing, guys. I know you guys see the powder seasoning, the oil, but guys, we have control. So that's the amount of chicken we need in the pot, guys. So we're gonna cover. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, as you can see the process of my first set of fried chicken. I did not add any egg, guys. So I'm going to do this. As you can see, no egg, guys. Alright guys, you see that? Great. So stay tuned guys and watch the progress. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yes guys, they're looking beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and do see that guys? All over. So I have my drain dish. That's where I'm putting them, guys. So you still have to test them, guys, to make sure they're properly soaked. You don't want to remove them from the oil and they're not fully soaked. So this leg is ready, guys. I'm just showing you them, guys. See them, guys? Let me give you a close-up. So I'm gonna get in my rest of chicken, guys. So stay tuned. And remember to use light flouring, guys. We don't want to have the base of the pot with too much of the flour sitting down there. So each time you flour, you dust. Yeah, guys. Have you guys pressed the like button as yet? Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and have it covered. Stay tuned, guys. Yes guys, I'm checking in on the progress of the canned mackerel rice. Epic one, guys. We've never seen this one before, guys. See? Beautiful. So it's still steaming down, guys. We're getting everything out, all the water. So stay tuned. Guys, we have reached the second set of chicken. And we want to make sure they're soaked. I just want to show you guys, pretty much soaked right through. I'm going to place it in my basket. This one also is pretty much soaked, guys, as you can see. And then this one also, guys, pretty much soaked. And that's the purpose of using the knife to inflict holes in the chicken, which is considered as tenderizing. But they sell the tenderizer and they somewhat have the seasoning for tenderizing. Alright guys, those two need to be fried, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, that's the final of my fried chicken. So as soon as I finish with this, guys, I'm going to go ahead with a simple gravy recipe where you guys could follow and how to economize and budget so you could save some money, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, now I'm going to go ahead with my gravy. I'm going to get in 1 teaspoon of flour, and I'm still using the salted flour, guys. As I said, I'm gonna show you how to make it more budget friendly, where you guys could save, depends on the time right now. 1 more teaspoon and 3 teaspoons. 3 teaspoons, guys, and that's the mixture. Which now I'm gonna go ahead and add some water, so stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I did go ahead and add some water. As you can see, guys, that gravy is coming together already. And then I'm gonna have to add some more water, like a 1/4 cup more. So stay tuned, guys. I did add some more water, guys, as you can see the consistency. And I'm using a whisk. So you're gonna have it on medium, guys. Okay, you want it to be fully cooked through until you get the base. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see you when I'm plating the food. Alright guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you when I'm plating the food. Alright guys, that's the finished product, and that's the mackerel rice. As you can see, guys, we have the gravy. We have the gravy over there. And the mackerel rice is looking so lovely, guys. You see that? And then we have the fried chicken and the gravy, guys. The mackerel rice is so beautiful, and it's shelly, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and have it plated, guys, so stay tuned. Guys, I have my mackerel rice plated already with my fried chicken and my gravy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test on the mackerel rice. Guys, mackerel rice is one epic meal. I'm telling you guys. Let me taste it with the gravy. I don't think I need the chicken. Alright guys, please like, share and subscribe, guys, and leave a comment, and peace out, guys.